It's really snowing, buddy. Take a look around.
Are you going on record?
Yeah.
It's not doing anything.
Oh, I know. I didn't ask for him to. I didn't know he was not going to do nothing. Anything.
Here, let's throw the snow in. I don't know, the snow isn't packing.
It's pretty light snow, actually.
It's not gonna. We'll have to wait till it gets a little bit warmer and make it warmer. Okay, that's all right. Wow. This is very cool. I'm gonna go walking in that big snow. The snowshoe sucks about that. There's no inner cuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me do this one. Let me see if I can get this one any better, honey. Just a second. Just let me get this so that your arm is free. Grandma's time. Okay, okay.
Coming back? Got snow on the lens, it looks like. What are you doing?
Want to sit in the snow chair? 1, 2, 3, snow! Are you in a big snow chair? 1, 2, 3. Big snow chair! Oh, your wrist. Oh my goodness. We're going to have to figure out something to do with it.
Whoa, look at that snow. A wind blow. Kiki. Hey, Kiki. What are you doing? Getting the snow off the clouds? Candy? Well, we got it uncovered now, and later we'll come out and uncover it again. She's right here. Might as well move it. I was going to do that before it snowed again, but I didn't. I've got another one in the house. Okay, here's some video of the backyard. In the morning of the second snowstorm in a week, and it's coming down very heavy at this point, as you can see. We have about probably an inch or two an hour coming down, which was predicted. And it's supposed to start blowing. In fact, up in the trees, there is a little movement, I think. And so to hear the wind in the background, there's the cedar tree in our neighbor's yard. And panning around, you can see some of the yard fixtures. And you can see that this has got easily 1.5 feet of snow on it. And there's our fireplace mounding up. Looking back under the porch with the lawn furniture where the snow is not being slowed down much by the vines. There's my charcoal grill with a good 2.5 feet of snow piled on top of it. It looks like here's another one of our stands for, or 2 or 3 of our stands for plants that have this lovely cone-shaped snowfall. And it's really coming down so fast now, you can almost not keep up with it with a shovel. So, Candy's out cleaning out the car, and I cleaned out the backyard path here to the back door, which I'll show you as we walk backwards. You can see there's the path past the back door. And if you look up, I don't know if we can see them or not, a lot of icicles hanging there ready to come down and do some damage. So we've got a real winter here. Here we are back on the path, walking out past the vine, which is kind of pulled down in front of the door. Knocked the snow off of that a few minutes ago. So we're just going to have to keep up with it all day. This is supposed to go on off and on all day. And it's probably 9 o'clock now, so we'll see what happens. It's a real thing. The snow on top of the vines here. Back out a little bit. So let's get down along the bottom of the snow pile here. Okay, you can sort of see the walls are getting up there on the path. Oh, that's a house. Somebody's got a wood fire going. I could probably go in, go visit her.
I missed that.
Me too.
Sorry.
All right.